Hey everyone, we're watching a lot of clouds coming in, a lot different compared to this time yesterday. Temperature wise though, you don't really notice it. Look at that, 75 degrees, plenty of that cloud cover, but it's still staying decently warm. That's thanks in part to those southerly winds. Now they're not too terribly strong. We're only looking at 9 miles an hour. That's nothing. That's barely feel that on your face here in West Texas. We're used to much stronger. Nonetheless, it is relatively dry though. It's because there's still that kind of westerly component to that wind, still keeping the air relatively dry despite ample cloud cover. And it's the entirety of the region. I'm watching a little bit of shower activity, most of which is going to be just outside of our area. I'm talking San Angelo, moving up toward Abilene. I'm watching this strong little thunderstorm, lots of lightning associated with it. Now, I'm not looking at any kind of hail right now, but this is actually where we're expecting some severe weather later tonight. Again, just outside of our region, maybe moving in to our far eastern counties, especially along I-20. I'll get to that in just a bit. So what can we expect for tonight? A lot of cloud cover and about 20% chance of those showers. Lows staying warm. That's because of all that cloud cover. And, well, you still have that southerly component to those winds. So, driving forecast for tomorrow, it's going to be decently cloudy. Slight chance of, again, some very isolated pop-up little showers and thunderstorms early in your commute. We're talking right around 4 a.m. to about 7 a.m. That's when it's really going to be hitting our area. But Midland, Odessa, not so much. Clearing up and all the cloud cover is going to be going away by your afternoon, so we don't have to worry too much about that. So what should you wear heading into your Thursday? Well, I have a high of 76. I have the early storm, so my rule is bring the umbrella. If you bring it, it doesn't rain on you. If you don't, it will. That's just how science works. Long sleeves, that's fine. I see regular tennis shoes should be just fine too. Here's the chance for that severe weather. Again, barely touching our eastern counties, and it's only a level 1 marginal risk. That risk is just going to be for some small hail and some occasional wind gusts. We'll keep our eye on it, of course. And of course, meteorologist Aurora Murray will have details on that as these are taking place early tomorrow morning. So what can I expect on the future track? Well, again, right around 4 a.m., a lot of that stuff kind of following the same pattern we're seeing right now. It starts to blow up a little bit more around 6 a.m. And even then, by the afternoon, all of it kind of just pushes out. It's not affecting our region whatsoever. And again, even going into early Friday morning, a lot of that stuff outside of our area, not worrying about it. So we kind of miss out on a whole lot of that rain. And well, can we expect anything? Not really. Sorry. It's unfortunate, but we know we'll take what we can get. It's better than nothing. We get a cool down afterwards, then we got to change our clocks and we warm right back up. The good old West Texas roller coaster. Juliana?
It's my favorite.